Hey team, welcome to week 11 of Operations Management. So this week we will be reading chapter 6 and chapter 14. We'll be focusing on the role of information technology in operations management. So we already have some idea, from our conversations and our playing with IT on what information technology can do for us, right? So for operations management, we can make Gantt charts using Microsoft Project. Like Melissa was talking about, they got a program called Teamwork where you have to log in what gets produced during your day, your quota, so the Gantt chart will adjust accordingly. Now think about this from an operations standpoint with supply, inventory, demand, and think about this if your company was global. So now you'd be able to track shipments from the supplier to predict when the arrival is coming. You could have a better forecast of demand. So we're going to be looking at some of the options that are available to us and the tools that we can use. And I also want to talk a little bit about, since last week was about respect for our employees, I'm going to focus a little bit on what we can do to educate our employees. So for instance, we'll talk about communities of practice. We will talk about learning management systems and, how we can communicate. So for instance, if you are the only operations manager at your plant, who else do you get to talk to about operations management? Nobody else is going to speak your language. So you're going to have to go into a communities of practice to communicate with people from other organizations to see what's growing in your industry. This is mentoring. But sometimes we have to do that in the digital world also. So anywho, I will see you guys on Thursday, and we'll talk about information technology. Okay, Dave out. Go Patriots.